Oh, you found the chalk? Let's go out here and see the snow. Go out and see the snow. Go touch it. Go touch it. It's cold. Touch it. Look. Huck, look at this. You can put your hand in it. Touch it. It's cold. Is it freezing? You can go out there. Go stand in the yard. Will Mama come with you? There you go. Yeah, snow. It's so cold. Do you like it? Do you like it? Say, I like it. Can you say, I like it?
Hey.
Go out there to that tree. You can go get in the snow if you want to. You can go out there and get in it. It's okay. There you go. It's so cold. Huck, do you like that snow?
Cold?
Yes, it is cold. Whoa. You want to go back inside where it's nice and warm?
Oh, it's loud.
You want to stay in